Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. I hope you all are doing well today. Happy holidays to you all. So today I'm going to be creating 3 projects for you. I'm not going to be using these square vases that you see at my fingertips, not using those today. What I'm going to be doing is be creating at least 2 unique projects for you today. I'm going to be using a lot of the items are from my Dollar Tree or from my discount store, and I'm going to be recycling one of them. So I'm going to get started. Going to be starting with this square mirror that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm also going to be using that red glittered ribbon. You guys have seen that before. If you shop at the Dollar Tree, you know that's where you can get it. So today I'm going to be using this ribbon to edge out the perimeter of the square mirror. So now that that's done, I'm going to put that off to the side and I'm going to let it dry for a few hours. Next, I'm going to be using this cute little snowman that I got from my discount store. That was $1. And I'm going to be using a Christmas bulb that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. So I got this from my discounted store, and the name of this company is called Holiday Basics. They have a lot of the Christmas items there for either $1, $1.50, or $2. So this was really cute. This is a Christmas tree ornament. So I'm going to try to create a cute little snowman using these 2 items today. So I'm going to get started. So I won't be using that cap from the Dollar Tree Christmas ornament. And what I'm going to do here is just kind of put a hole at the bottom because I want to fit the 2 pieces together. And so I'm going to do that by first melting a segment out with my hot glue gun. And then I'm going to be using my small pliers and my larger pliers just to create a larger hole. I want this to fit down onto the Dollar Tree Christmas bulb. So I'm just using my pliers to create a bigger hole. And then I'm going to use my larger pliers and just clip away the outer perimeter, the outer edges of that hole. I want the Christmas bulb to be able to fit in with a little friction. I don't want it to be loose, and I don't want to glue it down as well. So now I'm going to add my fairy lights. These are remote control fairy lights, and I'm going to add some of the fairy lights inside the Christmas bulb, and the rest I'm going to put inside the snowman's head. So now that that's on, guys, this is a really good fit and I like the way it looks. So now I'm going to use our mirror that we made earlier, and I'm going to use a little bit of hot glue, and I'm going to attach the snowman to the mirror. And guys, that looks so nice so far. Look how nice that snowman looks. Next, I'm going to be adding some gold ribbon to sort of simulate his scarf. I'm going to put that on, and then I'm going to color in some buttons on the front of the snowman. After that, I'm going to darken them a little bit with my black magic marker. And after I do that, he is all done. And guys, look how lovely he looks. So cute. So cute. A cute snowman. You let me know what you think in the comment section. So next, I'm going to be recycling this little basket that I had for years. There were green leaves, green flowers in there. And what I did was I used the flowers in other projects over the years, and I had the basket left, and I just never used it. So I'm going to be using it today. And so what I'm going to start with is some artificial snow that I picked up from the craft store. And I'm just going to use a little bit of hot glue and attach that craft snow in just to cover up the greenery just a little bit. This is a snowman figurine that I've had for a while, and I'm going to use him today in this. I'm not going to hot glue him in there. I'm just going to place him in because he has a switch at the bottom and I don't want to glue it in. And guys, this is so cute. I absolutely love the way this came out. This was so quick, it was so easy, and it looks nice. It looks so nice, and it looks festive. And it looks like that this snowman went to the Christmas tree farm, purchased a Christmas tree for himself. So my last project, guys, is going to be a vase that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I also have a tapered candlestick holder that I'm going to be using as well. This red bling I picked up from Amazon, and I'm just going to cut this into 3-row strip, and I'm going to apply it to the top of the vase and the bottom of the vase. I'm going to be using a little hot glue to attach it. So next, guys, I'm going to be using some greenery that I've had on hand that I've been using throughout the last few projects. I've got a little bit of this stuff left over, so I'm going to use it today and just create a nice festive vase. Alright guys, it's the next day, and as you can see, I added a little bit of that red trim to the bottom of the candlestick holder, and I also added an extra red berry to the top of the decoration up there. So now I'm going to be using some Epsom salt, and I'm going to use that as my riser or just as a filler to simulate snow. The candle is from the Dollar Tree. This looks so beautiful. I absolutely love all three projects. Guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. And I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I do appreciate it. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And you all stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. Happy holidays. And I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.